He killed his 80-year-old roommate for touching and sneezing over the Thanksgiving food. This is Richard Lombardi of Massachusetts. Richard allegedly killed his 80-year-old roommate, Frank Griswold, for standing too close to the food being prepared. He appeared in court Friday and pled not guilty, but let's back up for a second. So the incident occurred last Wednesday at the home that these two have long shared as roommates. Frank was apparently standing just too close to Richard and his preparations for his Thanksgiving food. This is when Richard apparently grabbed Frank and tried to move him. It says he grabbed his back and threw Mr. Griswold to the right, tossing him to the side. Now, when he did this, Mr. Griswold's feet got tangled up and he fell and hit his head on the floor. And that's why he's getting charged with involuntary manslaughter, as well as battery and assault. Now, Richard is the one that called the police after he realized that Frank was not getting up and he was bleeding from his head. He told them that he just didn't want Frank around because he just kept sneezing and touching all of the food. He said that they had already gotten into an argument where he told him he didn't want him in the kitchen, but Frank went anyways. Now, court documents cite that it does look like there was a little blunt force on his head and that he might have been hit, not just like shoved. But these two guys have been friends since the 90s. They moved in together in 2001 and they lived in this house together since 2008. The defendant's attorneys say that he is in absolute shock at the possible loss of his freedom and the loss of his longtime friend. This is really sad because these guys have like a crazy long history and he probably really didn't mean to do anything. And now he not only lost his friend because he, I don't know, pushed him too hard or whatever, but he's also going to have to spend probably the rest of his life in jail. This is so sad. And for Thanksgiving, guys,